I am sure that the current ongoing conflict between civilizations will speed up the demise of humanity. You may think that politicians stifling technological progress and engaging in wars and creating empires like they did for millennia will actually prolong existence of humanity. But I believe that the exact opposite is true. In fact, currently ongoing political process on this planet will speed up the whole evolution of man. This all can be explained based on scientific basis. Detailed explanation of the evolutionary process is on the way. Understanding evolution and universe has never been easier than today. I will explain it all. Just watch this channel. Main point of this video is that humans, I specifically mean politicians, are actually accelerating this process that already had exponential characteristics before, even more. This will shorten the existence of humanity.